Hey folks, after a warm and windy day across the valley, it's still warm in Rio Grande City, 91 still. Most of the valley upper 70s and low 80s right now. The beach, the cool spot at 72 degrees, but we are tracking a cool front that's due in the valley. It looks like now more than likely tomorrow morning. We're leaning more toward that being our solution. So our low temperatures tonight, we may not reach that. Technically, your low for tomorrow is sometime between midnight tonight and midnight tomorrow night. And this could happen late in the morning. So it may take all night to get there. In fact, most of the night probably in the 70s. But then highs tomorrow will climb into the upper 60s and low 70s. And then readings are likely to fall because the wind originally be out of the southeast. But when the front comes in, winds will shift, come out of the northwest, and temperatures will fall from these readings down closer to 60, maybe even upper 50s in many locations. So our normal high, 74. 73 tomorrow. We're going to be a little bit below that, but then 62 Wednesday and 71 on Thursday. Here are the clouds, and there have been a lot of them today. You've seen a few breaks for sunshine, but not many. Clouds have really dominated. Future track now grabbing onto the front, suggesting that it may not be here at 7 a.m., but by noon it is through, and the clouds just stick around. North winds pretty much all day long once that front goes through, and spotty showers. Probably nothing big. We don't have an atmosphere ripe for big rain. We have an atmosphere that suggests maybe a sprinkle or two, maybe an actual shower, but it doesn't last long and it just doesn't get much accumulated in the rain gauge. By 5 o'clock, we're still cloudy. Scattered showers possible again tomorrow night as a little upper air disturbance finally slides through the area. That lingers into early Wednesday, but by afternoon, I think the rain's gone. What sprinkles are out there. And by the end of the day Wednesday, maybe a brightening of the sky, but still probably mostly cloudy. So we're 30% for tomorrow night, 30% for early Wednesday, and then after that we should be dry. Fronts north of us now, look at this, it's 74 in Victoria and 57 in San Antonio. It's 84 in Laredo. Push back, look at the rest of Texas. Dallas is only 40, Lubbock is 39. In front, right in here, you can make it out. And to the north of it, there's even snow up in the Texas Panhandle today. Well, the map's kind of messy, but the bottom line is the front kind of slides through and just hangs out just to the south of us by tomorrow. And by Wednesday morning, it's still there. It's messy to the north. And once again, we're on the southern edge of any rain. 99% of it's north of us, maybe 100% of it's north of us, but if anything, we get a few sprinkles. The front kind of hangs out just offshore most of the day Wednesday, then finally pushes out of here. Maybe some lingering clouds into Thursday morning, but by late Thursday and Friday, I think we clear things out. Next front washes out before it gets here, so we warm up for the weekend. Travel plans tomorrow, we'll take a look. Amarillo, 27 in snow in the morning. San Antonio is 48, Dallas rain and 42. We'll warm up briefly, but then cool off by the end of the day, but everybody in the state will be colder than we are. So your first Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. A lot of clouds, breezy, warm early, and then late in the morning when the front comes through, that's when temperatures will drop off. So the high of 73 tomorrow is in the morning, then temperatures will drop off after that. Could be a brief shower. So the front nearby probably moving through, 73 and falling for your temperatures. Wednesday, a much cooler day, only about 62. By Thursday, we rebound back to 71. We hold there for Valentine's Day on Friday, and then much warmer in the 80s starting Saturday into Sunday and Monday. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.